Got a nice one right here, folks. 2019 Mack Granite 64FR. It's Mack's current new body, beginning year 2019. You see, it's got the strobe lights on it, many extras here. This one right here still has factory warranty on it. It was county maintained. It hadn't been hurt one bit. I got 6 of them in stock. Some of them I'm putting lift axles under. Some of them I'm leaving as tandems. We aim to please here at Milam's. You can have it however you want it. You see it's got the working tarp on it, aluminum wheels. This has a hybrid body, another new feature. Got the smooth sides. It also has a high lift gate. There it goes. It's a really nice feature if you got stumps, anything large. It's got the semi-elliptical body, so you don't have to worry about anything getting trapped in the corners. Like I say, we can leave it as a tandem, or for additional costs, we can make it a tri-axle. We also offer pintle hitches. It's got the Mack Advantage chassis. It's a single frame, it's a thick single frame to eliminate warp as the double frames did in the past. It's got the wide tires on the front. These are the 425 floaters. This one has the MP7, 405 horsepower. As you can see, excellent condition. A lot of extras on this one, folks. They put the cylinders inside the body to limit your chance of damaging if you side load. They're all contained inside the body there. Wait till you see the interior upgrades for 2019. There's all your controls. This one has the traction control, mud or snow, PTO all there, the cup holders. This has the 12-speed Mack MDrive, and they've put your engine brake. Engine brake is right here on the column now. You got all your steering controls, hands-free, radio controls. This has the power equipment. It's ready to go. Call us today. Milam Truck Sales, 434-822-8793. We're happy to help with any of your needs.